Okay, good afternoon, traders. Here we are, VTP Stage 2 online, Technical Tuesday coaching call 188 for the 14th of April 2026. I hope you're well. Hope you have had a good start to the week. I hope you've, as usual, been enjoying the shenanigans in markets as we work our way through the kind of fallout of the last few days. That's always you're very welcome here. Just remember, you are always responsible for your own trading decisions. All right. So yeah, here's the interesting thing. So what we talked about a couple of weeks ago was that the kind of great Aussie run had kind of come to an end and we dropped away down. But as you can see, that is basically dollar weakness. It's the same with Aussie yen. Fantastic run, and looking at that as a kind of double trouble. Kind of pull back, all right, looking as moving away down. But basically, that is just risk on giddiness. Risk on giddiness there. Interestingly, we had the same with Canadian dollar. Okay, we started to work our way down, and then basically, yeah, risk on giddiness. Even Aussie against Swiss franc, which was basically peeling back, has pushed its way higher. Okay, on that kind of giddiness. The ASX, okay, the index has pushed its way higher. Interestingly, kind of Euro Aussie, which had been in that fantastic trend. We're still sort of tagging that 200. I would be watching this because you've got basically you remember you've got basically Aussie in first, Euro in second. So I'll be looking. I don't normally like to trade strength v strength. Okay, I want to trade strength v weakness, which, as you can see, this was strength v weakness. That is just beautiful trend. Pulls back, and now we're in this kind of moment. Looks like the 20s crossing the 50 today. Okay, so and you can see the price action there is a little bit. It's not pretty, is it? The 4-hour 200 is holding, but then so is the 4-hour 50. And to me, that looks like we're coiling up there, doesn't it? That looks like price coiling, getting ready to make its move. The interesting thing is it which way is that move? Is it gonna is it going to push its way higher, giving us an indication of sort of real euro strength, or do we have a bit of a almost like a false move lower to sort of just shake people out before it pulls its way up there? So yeah, as I said, I'm never a massive fan of trading strength v strength. Okay, we want to trade strength v weakness. Um, there's no need for us to trade strength v strength. Okay, in that particular case, and that's why we have seen Aussie yen, which was fabulous, and I thought, what, this has come to an end. Crossed the way and pushed its way back. But it's interesting how it kind of came its way down, and now it's pushing its way back up there. Okay, you know, that is just some yen weakness and a bit of ceasefire giddiness. That's the way I would look at it. Ceasefire giddiness, okay, in Aussie versus the yen. Okay, there we go. It's working its way up there, kind of nicely. I mean, it did key reverse there, okay, on the 4-hour chart, but yeah, I think it's just giddiness. I think it's just ceasefire giddiness. People are getting excited about the end. Let's see how that plays out.